Good evening, my friend. This is the video. This is the continuous series of the video. Now, today we are going to talk about demand and supply in the UK job market. Okay, so there is a big demand for the skilled, highly skilled employees. So, if someone is telling you there is no demand, no, don't believe. There is a huge demand for the people who are having a highly skilled. If you are in India, you can work from home or what is called remote working, or from the Upwork, then the Fiverr. You can register as a freelance and you can start working from the UK companies, small, medium, and the big companies as well. There is a huge demand of the people who work from home. So if someone says don't believe it, don't even believe it. There is a huge demand, highly skilled software development, AI, cybersecurity, then hackers, web designers. All digital skills is going to be in a very boom demand, and you can set up the PayPal account, so you can get paid in your account, and use the LinkedIn, then use the Twitter as well, use the Facebook. Put everything with your mobile number. You are open to work from home, and you are open to work as a consultant as well. So whatever you're looking for, there is huge demand. There is a demand for the charity sectors in the proposal writing, application writing, grant funding, sales, marketing, right? And the teamwork. If you work in a team, 2 or 3 or 4 people is going to be a big game changer. And personally, I'm looking for people who have a skill, who can join us and drive the project forward. So maybe in a 6 month, I can step back and hand over the project to the young people. I've been just taking a small risk for the people who want to enter into leadership and management. So there is a huge demand for the good managers, leaders, doers, not talkers. And time management is the key. If you finish the 2 hour job in 1 hour 50 minutes, you'll be in high demand, and you'll be get paid. Also, you can get paid 3% commission on the success of the project. So let's say £13,000 you applying for the funding, 3%, £319 you will be paid as a success fee of your work. So you get a fixed paid £13 per hour plus £319 on the success. So if you do 3 years work, so £40 you can put in your pocket wallet. So if you know someone looking for to work from home or something, there is a Rutul and Ali in the UK, two young managers. They are looking for the talent. So get in touch on a LinkedIn or Twitter. Also, you can text me on a WhatsApp 07972 417514. This is the UK number. Okay, you can text me and I will divert to the right people who can help you to build your own career online. And hope you will continue enjoying this information. If you have any question, number is there. Keep banging and keep asking how we can help you to progress your career. So don't believe anything nonsense. There is a huge demand in management, leadership, good managers, AI, cybersecurity, software development, social media, digital skills, fundraising. So all the domains is open. So if you have a question, give us a call. And don't forget the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, sloka 47. Karmaniye vadhikaraste ma phale sukadachane. Ma karma phale hetu burmate sangustav karmani. Do your work, do your karma. Result will follow you. It's not in your hand. So keep banging, keep doing, keep trying. Don't give up. Keep trying. That's the key. Perseverance and pushing beyond the limit is the key to succeed. Hope you will enjoy this video, and hopefully we'll continue the series. A new guest is coming on, Ketulbhai Joshi, very soon, Pandit Ketulbhai Joshi. So he will guide you through the spirituality better than me. So hopefully you will see him very soon. Thank you.